Maakuntagalleria Lappeenranta. Kauppakatu 40 staircase D. It's this one. And you can come also. We built in 2007, 13 persons of 1000 kilograms. 10821620. So fast.
Yeah.
And we had a bit technical problems, but now I think it's going to be finished filming. We can actually take one ride per elevator because we don't have time. So much. Wee, so fast.
Inspected by Kiva, inspected and maintained by Kone.
They upgraded the lights.
Yeah.
They were original when I last time visited there. They are now much more bright. Just down. New one. This is going to be elevator race because, oh, actually not, because it is going to up first. 2007, 13 persons, 1000 kilograms, 10821619. 8 floors. I like this. This is office building. Maybe -2.
Oh, yeah.
10-1.
Inspected by Kiva, inspected and maintained by Kone.
Okay.
That's